Darigold is a co-op. It's been around since 1918. We produce dairy products, everything from milk to powder, cheese, cottage cheese, sour cream. We did an RFP company-wide. We brought in 5 different vendors. We were looking to have more access to the equipment, understanding hours, usage.
We started off talking about iTech and iTrack, did brief demonstrations, talked about why everybody has a web-based fleet management system. I talked about iTech being the replacement, the electronic replacement to the repair order, the 5-part repair order that we used to use and everybody else still uses. And I said, we've eliminated all that. So it's easy for us.
When Steve and Raymond stood in front of the group and told them that he was personally committed to making it work, I think that meant a lot to a lot of people that were at the table.
They didn't know what they were spending. They didn't have a good way to track it. They didn't have a universal way that all of the companies doing their service in all of their different locations. And that's what we offered them as one solution.
We went with the iTrack that monitors all the equipment. We use their stand-ups and their rider jacks here.
Well, now they can actually view and see what's happening, at each facility from the corporate location, and they have better control of it. And so when something pops up that we don't see because we have access to the iTrack also for their locations, then they'll bring it to our attention, and then we'll sit down and discuss what a game plan would be.
I think it's very important to have a good relationship. One of the things they've done is they've put one mechanic here that works with us and with the plant, and we know him, we talk to him, he knows the equipment. We don't see him in person every time, and it helps out quite a bit.
Through iTrack, we saw that in California at their San Jose location, that they were going through their brake pads quite frequently. In seeing that, we knew that at that point in time that the operators were using the equipment and were actually stepping off the dead man pedal and actually applying the brakes, the emergency brakes, instead of actually plugging the equipment. So there was a training issue there, and we brought that to their attention. And in the future, that'll save them, quite a few $1,000s.